Welcome to the third day of Techmas. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to streamline Canvas course navigation. You can see that in my demonstration Canvas course, in the course navigation on the left side of the screen, I have some items that do not have any symbol next to them and some that have an eye with a line through it. Items with the eye and a line through it are not visible to students. Those that have no symbol are visible to students. If I go into student view, you can see how that the more items that are in course navigation, the more confusing it could be for a student to navigate your course. So we're going to learn how to streamline that course navigation. Please be aware that settings at the bottom will never have a symbol next to it because it is never visible to students. That is the exception to this rule. And in order to turn items off for students, I am going to navigate to that item to settings. And from there, I am going to select the navigation tab. There are 5 tabs. Make sure you select navigation. Every item has 3 dots to the right of it. If I would like to disable that item, I can click the 3 dots and select disable, and I can disable all the items that I want. Ideally, you will have fewer than 5 items showing in your course navigation so that students are not as confused. You can actually get by with just 1 or 2 items in a course navigation if you would like to do that. The one item that I would absolutely recommend that you disable are files. If files are turned on, students can actually access the files for your Canvas course and they can open those and they can manipulate them. So please make sure that at bare minimum you turn off files. Once you have chosen all the items that you would like to disable for a particular course, you can then rearrange the items by clicking and left clicking, holding down and dragging. So if I would like to set mine as home, announcements, and then modules, I can do that, or home, modules, and announcements, I can set whichever order I would like. It is imperative though that you scroll to the bottom of the page once you have finished editing and click save, because Canvas will not save those changes for you automatically. And once you have saved, you can then again navigate back to the student view on the right side of the course, and you can now see in this particular course students can only go to home and to the modules. So I've severely limited where students can go, thereby eliminating confusion. If you have any questions about this, please let me know.